Why does a woman form a bond with someone outside her marriage? Is it because she enjoys the thrill, or is she driven by an emotional void that demands fulfillment? When a woman already has a partner by her side, what draws her heart toward another? And why is society quicker to condemn her actions, while turning a blind eye to a man's infidelity? These questions touch the depths of human emotions and relationships, and this video is dedicated to exploring this sensitive and complex topic. Stay with us till the end as we unravel the layers of love, pain, and longing through the lens of psychology and human connection. When two hearts once full of love begin to drift apart due to misunderstandings or unspoken words, the relationship can slowly wither like a flower deprived of sunlight. Psychology teaches us that when bitterness creeps into a marriage, it becomes a breeding ground for emotional distance. And sometimes, in this space, a third person unintentionally enters, someone who fills the silence and the void left by the partner. While such a connection may seem comforting at first, it often leads to heartbreak and chaos, unraveling not only the relationship but the lives intertwined with it. It's not uncommon for women, after marriage, to struggle with lingering memories of their first love. The heart is a stubborn companion, it clings to the warmth and innocence of a past that once felt complete. Despite the new commitments of marriage, some women find themselves yearning for the unspoken comfort they once shared with someone else. No matter how hard they try, the shadow of their first love haunts them, leaving them caught between their present and a past they can't let go of. Marriage is often seen as a haven, a promise of love and companionship. But what happens when that promise begins to falter? Psychology tells us that women, just like men, need to feel cherished, valued, and understood. When love turns into routine, and a husband fails to offer his wife the time and affection she craves, her heart grows restless. The loneliness that creeps into her soul pushes her to seek solace elsewhere, not out of disloyalty, but out of a desperate desire to feel alive and loved again. Sometimes, even a woman who suppresses her feelings for the sake of family honor finds herself yearning for emotional connection. Her smile may hide her pain, but her heart quietly longs for the tenderness she once knew. The memories of her first love, or the allure of a new connection, start to call her back, promising to fill the emptiness she can no longer ignore. There are also moments when a woman's faith in love is shattered by betrayal. Psychology reveals that women, by nature, forgive easily, but not when it comes to matters of the heart. If she discovers that her husband has strayed, the pain becomes unbearable. It's not just a betrayal of trust, it's a wound to her soul. In her anguish, she might ask herself, if loyalty no longer exists in our relationship, why should I stay faithful? Out of this pain, some women seek comfort in another's arms, not out of revenge, but as a way to heal the scars left by their partner's actions. It's essential to understand that women don't seek these connections to destroy their marriage or harm their loved ones. Often, it's a cry for help, a plea to feel seen, heard, and valued. At the core of every relationship lies the need for intimacy, love, and mutual respect. When these elements are missing, the heart begins to wander, seeking warmth where it feels cold and distant. To all the partners listening to this, remember that love needs nurturing. Take time to hold each other close, to whisper words of love, and to share moments of joy. Don't let the chaos of life steal the magic of your bond. Relationships thrive when both partners make an effort to understand and cherish one another. So before the distance grows, before the silence becomes deafening, take a step toward your loved one. Listen to their unspoken words, and give them the gift of your time and attention. Because love, when nurtured, has the power to heal even the deepest wounds. That's all for today. We'll see you again with another heartfelt topic. And remember, love is a journey, not a destination. So walk hand in hand with your partner and never let go. Thank you.